categories inside of courses. From the dashboard, go into courses, and then on the left hand side go down to categories. Inside this area you can set and add categories to your courses. At the moment you can see I have one category in here called Zenler. I can delete this out here. Now I have no categories inside here. I can easily add a category. All I need to click is add category. You add the category name, such as marketing, and then all I need to do is add at the end the prefix for the URL. In this case it will be marketing. Now I've done this, this will give us the category URL for our new category. Let's click add category. Now we have a new category called marketing. Let's set up another category and let's call this training. Once again, training. Let's add that to the URL and click add category. And you'll notice we have two categories now, one under training, and this is the URL for it, and one under marketing. Inside of this we have 0 courses because we have not added any to it. So this is how we can set up categories.